To redeem a Barnes & Noble gift card, start by opening your preferred browser and visiting the Barnes & Noble website. Once on the site, click on the My Account link to access a drop-down menu, where you will find the Sign In option. Sign in to your account using your credentials. With your account accessed, you can begin adding items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, click on the View Shopping Cart option. Review the items in your cart. Then click Continue to proceed to the checkout page. On this page, provide your shipping and payment details. Scroll down to the gift card section. Tap the plus icon to expand it, and enter your gift card number and PIN in the designated space. Click Apply to redeem your gift card. If the details are correct, the gift card amount will be applied to your purchase. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Barnes & Noble gift card and complete your purchase.